If you want to travel with your pet, and you are looking to keep your vehicles clean and hair-free, then pet hair removers for car are best solution for you. They can effectively remove even the most stubborn pet hair, and ensure a spotless and comfortable driving environment. They are equipped with ergonomic handle that provide comfortable grip and ensure better control while cleaning. In order to help you to find out the right one, we have selected and reviewed pet hair removers for car. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Number 1. ChomChomp Pet Hair Remover. This pet hair remover can works without the need of batteries or other power sources. Just roll it back and forth, and you are ready for removing of your pet hair from your car. It can take out the fur of your pet, and also removes the human hair from furniture, car seats and more. It does not use costly sticky tape, so you don't have to worry about spending extra money or getting your surfaces sticky. It is easy to clean. When you are done, just press its button, open the remover and empty it out. It has convenient travel size, therefore it can easily carry in your backpack, purse or jacket wherever you go. Number 2. Anker Mini Pet Hair Remover. This triangular pet hair remover has ring-shaped handle that makes very easy gripping, and your hands won't feel sore after long hours of use. It has granular and non-slip coating, therefore you don't have to worry about it slipping or sliding around if your hands get wet. It has soft silicone and rubber groove design that helps to firmly grip pet hair and create more friction for more fur and fibers in each stroke. It has 3 different cleaning modes that makes it easy and fast to get embedded fur out of couch, carpet and bed. It is affordable and lightweight, with durable and replaceable blades for easy carrying. Number 3. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Car Vacuum. This lightweight and cordless handheld device allows you to clean up pet hair and dirt that collects on your furniture, carpet, in your car, or wherever your furry friends play. Its detachable motorized brush helps to capture more embedded dirt and pet hair by providing deeper cleaning. It has crevice tool and telescoping extension wand that helps to clean hard-to-reach areas and tight spaces. It has a 2-staged filtration system design that helps to extend the life of the filter for easier cleaning. It is convenient and lightweight, therefore it can easily tackle dust, dirt and debris from the sofa and car. Number 4. Hands DIY Pro Pet Hair Remover. It can remove even the most attached follicles, hair and lint in a quick swipe, and ensures a comfortable driving environment. It is reusable, sustainable and effective cat and dog hair remover tool that can save your time and energy. It has special multi-fabric edge and sticky rolls that can easily reduces your environmental footprint. It is easy to use. Just hold this Uproot Clean Pro at 45 degrees across the fur-covered area and roll it back and forth. Number 5. Lilly Brush Pro Pet Hair Remover. It can remove the stubbornly trapped pet hair from car mats, headliners, cargo areas and seats. It is 10 times faster than vacuuming, and its soft and durable blade won't harm plastic, glass, chrome or wood. Its quick strokes from varying directions gather embedded pet hair into piles, and its curved tool can remove hair from large open areas. It has 14 inches long crevice tool that can easily get pet hair from tight spaces around car seats. It is also a fantastic gift for pet lovers and friends at special occasions, such as birthdays, Christmas and more.